Tyreos Asset Universe is the software infrastructure used by MCA. Hi, I am Wanda, Taos AI Vice President, and I will give you a quick introduction to this page. With Tyreos Asset Universe, people can focus on what they are best at, while having a software infrastructure supporting them in the background. For example, are you receiving a multitude of investment opportunities each day, but want your analysts to learn and be productive? Use Tao Investment Analyst for your project overview and quick evaluation, and use the morning briefing for your team's personalized news and report sourcing. Are you a small team who wants a scalable infrastructure and an edge in the market? Use Tao Light and Tao Perspective to set yourself up digitalized and automated. Take a look at our tools below. When you found something interesting for you, quickly set up a meeting and we can have a chat or product demo. Join the waitlist for tools to come. Or write us an email to post@Tyreos, that is Tyreos.Ventures, and we will answer your questions shortly.